Amazon Prime Day typically spans 2 days, but in recent years, the company has started releasing deals well before the official start, with early Prime Day deals launching as soon as Amazon announces the Prime Day 2024 dates. These deals highlight some of the best discounts available during Amazon Prime Day, providing great opportunities for savings across a variety of popular products. Whether it's early deals or day-of sales, Amazon gadgets are almost certain to be discounted. You can expect record-low prices on high-tech gadgets and household essentials. If you're eyeing these products but not patient enough for the official dates, you're in luck. We've got you covered with early Prime Day deals available right now. Here are the top deals to check out. All product links are provided in the description. 10. Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5i Chromebook Plus. The Lenovo Flex 5i Chromebook Plus is now $349 at Best Buy, down from its list price of $499. This 14-inch Chromebook includes an Intel Core i3-1315U processor, 8 GB of RAM, and 128 GB of eMMC storage. Number 9. Solo Stove Bonfire 2.0. Solo Stove's Bonfire 2.0 fire pit is on sale for $230, down from $300. These stainless steel fire pits are designed for outdoor use, providing a portable and efficient way to enjoy a campfire. The Bonfire 2.0 features a double-wall construction that creates a unique airflow, resulting in a secondary burn that significantly reduces smoke output. This makes it more enjoyable for users who dislike the smell and irritation caused by traditional fire pits. The fire pit is lightweight and easy to load with wood, making it a great addition to camping trips, backyard gatherings, and other outdoor activities. 8. Hisense U6K 4K LED TV 65-inch. The Hisense U6K TV is available for $498, down from $600 at Walmart. This budget-friendly TV offers impressive picture quality for its price, thanks to its mini LED backlight and quantum dot technology. These features enhance contrast and color accuracy, delivering vibrant and lifelike images. The TV also includes full-array local dimming, which improves black levels and reduces blooming around bright objects. While the U6K is limited to a 60 Hz refresh rate, it still provides a smooth viewing experience for most content, including movies, TV shows, and casual gaming. 7. Beats Solo 4. The Beats Solo 4 headphones are down to $130 from $200 at various retailers. These on-ear headphones are known for their long battery life, capable of lasting more than 50 hours on a single charge. This makes them ideal for extended listening sessions without the need for frequent recharging. They also support fast charging, providing several hours of playback with just a few minutes of charging. The Solo 4 headphones deliver a balanced sound profile, with clear highs, mids, and punchy bass. They support wired playback via USB-C or a 3.5mm audio cable, offering flexibility for different listening preferences. The headphones are lightweight and portable, making them convenient for travel and daily use. 6. Xbox Game Pass Ultimate for 3 months. Woot offers a 3-month Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription for $34.49 and a 1-month subscription for $11.79. This subscription service provides access to a vast library of games across Xbox consoles, PC, and cloud streaming, including all Xbox first-party releases and many popular third-party titles. It also includes Xbox Live Gold, which enables online multiplayer gaming and offers additional perks like free monthly games and exclusive discounts. The Game Pass Ultimate is an excellent value for gamers who enjoy playing a wide variety of games without the need to purchase each title individually. The service frequently adds new games, including recent releases and popular indie titles, ensuring that there is always something new to play. The cloud gaming feature allows users to stream games directly to their devices, eliminating the need for downloads and enabling gaming on the go. 5. Corsair Scimitar RGB Elite. The Corsair Scimitar RGB Elite gaming mouse is available for $50, down from $80, at Amazon and Best Buy. This mouse is specifically designed for MMO gaming, featuring 12 programmable side buttons that allow users to execute complex commands and macros quickly. This makes it an excellent choice for games like Final Fantasy XIV, World of Warcraft, and other role-playing games that require extensive use of hotkeys and shortcuts. The Scimitar RGB Elite is on the bulkier side, which is typical for MMO mice, but it is ergonomically designed to be comfortable for long gaming sessions. Its contoured shape and adjustable side panel ensure that it fits well in various hand sizes and grip styles. The mouse's high-precision optical sensor provides accurate tracking, which is crucial for fast-paced gaming. As a wired model, the Scimitar offers a reliable and latency-free connection. 4. Backbone 1 2nd Gen USB-C. The Backbone 1 mobile game controller is on sale for $80 at Amazon, Backbone.com, and Best Buy, down from $100. This $20 discount ties the best price we've seen for the 2nd Gen iteration since December. The deal applies to all USB-C and Lightning versions of the gamepad, including the standard black models and the PlayStation-branded white models. Backbone says the sale will run through June 16th. We've recommended the Backbone for those who want to stream console and PC games to their phone or play more involved mobile games without touch controls. While it's not as roomy as a full-size PS5 or Xbox controller, and the promotion of its subscription service can be annoying, it's comfortable, requires almost no extra setup, and has all the inputs needed to play modern games. It's particularly nice for the recent wave of emulators on iOS. 3. Apple MacBook Pro 14.2-inch M3. The 14.2-inch MacBook Pro is down to $1,699 from $1,999 for a configuration with an M3 Pro chip, 18 GB of RAM, and a 512 GB SSD at Amazon and B&H. This model offers a powerful combination of performance and portability, making it ideal for professionals who require high computing power for tasks such as 3D design, video editing, and software development. This MacBook Pro features a stunning Liquid Retina XDR display with promotion technology, delivering exceptional brightness, contrast, and fluidity for both creative and productivity tasks. The display's mini LED technology enhances color accuracy and HDR performance, making it a top choice for creative professionals. 2. Apple MacBook Air 13.6-inch M3. The latest 13-inch MacBook Air is available for $899, down from $1,099 at Amazon and B&H. This model features an M3 chip, 8 GB of RAM, and a 256 GB SSD, making it suitable for light to moderate use, such as web browsing, streaming, and productivity tasks. Its sleek design, premium build quality, and lightweight form factor make it an attractive choice for students and professionals on the go. For more intensive tasks or multitasking, the version with double the RAM and storage is on sale for $1,329, down from $1,499. This configuration is better suited for users who need more power and storage capacity for activities like photo and video editing, running multiple applications simultaneously, or storing large files. 1. Roomba Essential Robot Vacuums. Roomba Essential Robot Vacuums are currently on sale for as low as $180. The iRobot Roomba Vac Essential Q0120, on sale for $180, down from $250, features 3 suction levels, smart navigation, and is adept at cleaning both carpets and hard floors. This model includes advanced sensors to help avoid obstacles and prevent falls, such as stairs. The Roomba Q0120 can autonomously return to its docking station to recharge when its battery is low, ensuring it's always ready for the next cleaning session. Despite being a budget-friendly option, it retains many features found in higher-end models. The vacuum's ability to spot clean, handle corners, and slide into tight spaces, like underbeds and sofas, makes it highly versatile for different cleaning scenarios. While the Q0120 is excellent for vacuuming, it doesn't have mopping capabilities. For those who want an all-in-one solution, the iRobot Roomba Essential Y0140, on sale for $200, down from $275, can vacuum and mop simultaneously. This model offers the same advanced navigation and cleaning capabilities, but adds the convenience of mopping hard floors, making it ideal for comprehensive cleaning routines. Neither model includes self-emptying bins, so you'll need to empty the debris manually. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.